Welcome to our guide on how to find an old post you're tagged in on Facebook. Let's walk through the steps together. To get started, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen to access the menu. Next, tap on the Settings icon to enter the Settings section. Select Account Center from the Settings menu. Then, tap on Your Information and Permissions to manage your account data. Tap on Access Your Information to view your Facebook activity. Select your Facebook activity to see all your interactions on the platform. Tap on Posts and Comments you're tagged in to focus specifically on posts where you've been tagged. Scroll down through the list to find the desired post that you're tagged in. By following these steps, you can easily locate an old post you're tagged in on Facebook and engage with the content and connections it represents. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in showing you how to find an old post you're tagged in on Facebook. Explore these steps to rediscover posts you're tagged in and interact with the shared experiences and connections on the platform. Welcome